Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pin tiles in your start menu. So how to pin program in your start menu here or unpin program for your start menu. So I have some programs tiles here which is pin in the start menu here. So if you don't know how to do that, so if I have to pin the alarms and clocks here, just right click on it and you can see there's a option called pin to start. So click on it and you can see the tiles, the program is added to the start menu here. So if you want to add another program here, example for camera, just right click and click pin to start, and now you can see the menu is here, program is in the start menu here. So if you want to change the position, you can just drag and drop here anywhere you want to drop. So if you want to unpin the program, the tiles from your start menu, just right click on it and you can see there's an option called unpin from start. So just click on it and this will just, the tiles option just will be gone. So if I right click on it and just click unpin from start and just gone. So that's it guys, this is how you unpin or pin a program in your Windows 10 start menu. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.